Hi, this is Dylan from PulseEditor, and I wanted to show you an overview of the application and just to get familiar with how it works. So when you first log in, you're going to see your dashboard, and your dashboard is pretty much just a page that shows all of your landing pages. For example, we have our ton here in this testing account, and what you get here, so you get the name of your page, a nice snapshot of what it looks like, the URL, so you just copy this URL and you can send traffic to it. I clicked on it. Go back here. If you want to get more information about your landing page, you just click on it. Just click on any of these pages here, and it'll go to the stats page, which we'll cover in a minute. Under here, you can see when the last time you updated it. So you can see this page was last updated 3 days ago. On the right-hand side, we have the visitors, conversions, and the conversion rate. So you can kind of see like an overview of how well this page is doing. You can delete the page here by clicking remove, or you can also clone it to make a duplicate of it by clicking here. And if you want to go straight to the editor, you can open up the editor here. I'm going to view the stats for this page and just click on it here. And then we load up the stats page, or the overview page for your landing page. And we have the same information up here. It's pretty much the same as on the landing page, except for we also have the graph. And you can see here, so the visitors is in blue, and then the conversions is in green, which we don't have any conversions there right now, so that's why it's not showing up. We can see here, we can change the date range by 24 hours, last week, or last year. At the top here, we have your overall stats. So basically, if I change this to last year, you can see that the information has changed here. So it's the same information, but you can see it loading, and then the graph will change. If you have more information more than a year ago, the all-time stats right here is where you get that. So you would get your visitors, your conversions, and then the rate up here. We have this URL right here, which is like a preview URL. You'd want to send traffic to this URL up here. So it's the one without this question mark preview equals control. At the top here, we have your page settings. So this is the name of your page, pretty much. Like this creates the link of it right here. We have the CSV. You can download your leads as a CSV file. You can download your page as an HTML file, so you can host it on your own URL, which we will discuss in another video. You can download the WordPress plugin and then sync that up through WordPress, which is another tutorial. Down here we have this button called Promote, and this is the one thing that's different from the landing page. Basically, if you're running any split tests, and your split tests will show up under here. If you're running any split tests, you can promote any your control. Like this is your control or any of these split tests to full-time. So right now, your control is running full-time, which is a bit redundant because there's only one page, one variation in this test right now, but that's how that works. So you can go to templates here, and then here we have all the templates in the system. We're going to be adding more templates all the time, but this is what we have for now. At the top here, we have the different types of templates, so you can just view all the templates that we have in the system. You can choose an opt-in template. If you're using opt-in templates, you can use a webinar, sales, or miscellaneous templates. Then you basically just click on the template that you want to create. Give it a name. So let's call this my free offer. You can see the name that you create is also going to be the name of the URL. So my subdomain is called dev. Track v1 is the domain that we have, and then we would just send traffic to here. Once I click create, it opens up inside of the editor here. Just give it a minute to create it. Now you can see it's going to load the editor. Okay, so now we have this inside the letter, so now we can start editing the text and do whatever we want, and say like SEO marketing. If we wanted to add that, whatever. Let's go back here. So that's how you create a page. We have the support area up here. We have your integrations. So for example, you could connect with Aweber, MailChimp, and GetResponse, and then we're going to be integrating more here. If you click on this, you can get information about more about PulseEditor and the projects that we're doing from the blog here. You click on this little icon here, and you'll get your information. So your account status, your renewal date, and a little nice message from me. And I think that's about it. That covers the main stuff for your creating your pages and an overview of PulseEditor.